Hello dear students, today we are going to see class 6th English complete swadhyay on 2.2 stories on strings. First question, read the text and complete the following chart. Here the types of puppets, state or region and features. In this way we have complete this chart. First puppet is Katputli, state is Rajasthan and feature is bride and dancing. Second, Bomalattam, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, feature is large and car. Third, Tolu, Bomalatta, Andhra Pradesh and feature is leather shadow pictures. Next puppet is rod puppets, Odisha and Bengal, feature is tiny, jump and twist. Next question, write at least 2-3 lines on puppets. Answer, puppets are used to tell wonderful stories from our culture. Second, they teach us important lessons about good behavior and truth. Third, puppet shows are full of fun and they entertain everyone. Next question, write the plural form of the given words. First, puppet, puppets, show, shows, story, stories, tradition, traditions, picture, pictures, lesson, lessons. Next question, introduce yourself as puppet. In introducing you. Example, hello, I am Prakash. I am 11 years old. I like drawing. You can add your points. वरती आणि खाली एक नमुना उदाहरण आहे, त्याचा वापर करून तुम्ही स्वतःची माहिती या पद्धतीने देऊ शकता. यातील हे नमुना उदाहरण म्हणून तुमच्यासाठी आहे. बघा आता या प्रकारे आपण ही माहिती भरू शकतो. हॅलो, आय एम सिद्धांत. I am 11 years old. I like playing cricket and reading stories. I am very happy to meet you today. Next question, read the words beautiful, wonderful, careful and find other words having the suffix full. The words are colorful, joyful, playful. Next question, underline the F sound from the following words. Words are fair, curve, phonetic, tough. Other words are fair, curve. Here the F sound is in GH. F sound is in phonetic words in PH. Tough in GH. Shelf in F. In this way, we have completed the complete swadhyay of 2.2 class 6 English. Dear students, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.